Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Goldbelly unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Definitely excited to try this out. And you guys can too. Also check out their other items they have for purchase. And here we go. This is coming from Sauce Pizza, New York. Never had New York style pizza, so definitely curious. And definitely excited to try this. A lot of Chicago pizza, Detroit pizza, and now New York pizza. You guys can get it delivered to your doorstep. Quickness, they ship really fast, so definitely give these guys a follow on Instagram. I'll leave the links down below for them. Also check out their restaurants. Okay, here we go. All you gotta do is click the link down below and take a look at this. Ooh. Made with some, we got some goodies in here. Here they are. I think this has some dry ice, so you might want to be careful where you're grabbing. Oh yeah, this package is really nice. Oh, there we go. Oh, these came out nice. Big. Got one out. It's a little dry, so that's not too bad. Oh, these are nice looking. This is what they look like. Nice and sealed. And I'll take one out right now. Show you guys the magic. Oh, this looks amazing. Got a nice sauce to it. Look at the pepperonis. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That one right over here for now. Then I'm going to try. I think there's instructions that come with it. Also, you could go back to Goldbelly under Sauce Pizza, and they tell you how to set the oven, because I got to preheat my oven. Yep, see, they got a little manual right there. Preheat to 420 or 400 degrees. Frozen pan. I need to get one of those hot stones, but I got that kind, so that should do the job. So round is 9-11 minutes. Check pizza. Spatula. And then if you get the squares, they also have squares. So, but can't go wrong with round. So I'm gonna pop those in, and I'll be back. YouTubers, it is out of your oven. Look at that. I already ate one slice. Amazing stuff, guys. Definitely check these guys out. Sauce Pizza, right here at Goldbelly. Click the link down below. Place your orders. Get it shipped right to your doorstep. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.